Hey, I'm Chris Kolar, the CEO of Wireless Support, and we are a company of wireless experts that has a proven system for managing mobile phone and tablet fleets for business owners like you. With that, you can expect us to deliver a program that is low cost, that is high reliability, and that's going to save you and your team time and headache. Or say it simply, we make managing mobile phones and tablets easy and stress-free. Beyond that, we are crazy about customer service. So we're going to go the extra mile to ensure that you are fully satisfied. Now, while there are a lot of companies out there with great promises, few of them deliver like we do at Wireless Support. But don't take it from me, hear it straight from our clients.
The value that I get out of using Wireless Support for our phone service is the assurance that it's going to be done right the first time. My name's Michael Dodd, and I'm the president, one of the owners of Final Mile Delivery, LLC. One of the things that I don't have a whole lot of is time. I'm constantly looking for providers and partners that can make my life a lot easier. The services that we use with Wireless Support have everything to do with our cell phones. Phone repairs, number ports, hotspot services, rental services, phone purchases, and of course Mirador. Mirador alone has saved us countless hours of updating programs such as the Flex app on each one of the phones. No more scrambling to get the latest and greatest version of Flex. It simply updates overnight, and when we arrive in the morning, it's all complete. I would recommend to any of my colleagues to reach out to Wireless Support today. I've had nothing but positive experiences with these folks, with any of the services, whether it's new phones, existing phones. My experience has always been nothing but positive with the exceptional service that they provide.
I rely on reliable partners, right? As far as I'm concerned, you have a pretty quick window of opportunity to prove to me that you are going to be a reliable partner. I have lost track, honestly, of how long I've been a partner of Wireless Support. I wouldn't actually choose to change that in any way. They are a true partner when it comes to managing these phones. We use a service where they manage our entire Verizon account. It enables me to avoid the revolving door of Verizon reps and be talking to someone who's supremely knowledgeable about my account, how the best way to use the Verizon phones are. There's just much better way of working with them rather than just you working through Verizon. They perform a regular audit of my Verizon bill. Out of the gate, that's saved me thousands of dollars a year. I forget the exact amount. I think it was like $800 that they saved me on one bill, which if you multiply that by 12 months of getting those bills, that's a significant savings. The other challenge that I have is phone repairs. So I've got to turn those around real quick. All that I have to do is go to my account manager, request a UPS label. I print it out right then and there, put all my phones in a box, send them off to Wireless Support. Wireless Support sends me loaner phones, so I don't have to go out and buy new ones. I could just use those loaner phones. They come back in a couple of weeks repaired at a much lower cost than anyone else that I know here in the Denver area. The other area of value that they have is an online platform which allows me to be able to track every phone, where it is, what status it's at, where the driver is, and use that to update those devices with the latest software builds. I think they're very transparent. I think that they are very reliable. I think they are very consistent, and I just think they're a great partner.
How you want to measure your free time or your extra time in life, because that's what they save. They saved me having to go to the store, buy the devices, get everything set up, get cases, put cases on them, load all the apps. All I do is I order them and tell them what I need, and they come ready to go. They manage everything for you. They keep an eye on it for you. It's just one of those things that we have to have these devices. They're our lifeline for a DSP. Anytime I call, somebody's answering the phone. If I text Chris, he's calling me right back. They're right there when I need them. They know how valuable they are to our business. If they haven't tried it, I would recommend that they give it a go and then just see how valuable it is and how much it saves them on time and probably cost.
We opened Accurate Logistics around 4.5 years ago in order to exclusively just deliver Amazon packages. We've been together for over 4 years. Good quality, good communication, good efficiency. It's a partnership. It's not just they just do everything. They do most of the stuff. And you just have to understand what you need to be in control of in order for you to have a successful relationship. It really saved us a lot of money and time there. We didn't have to think about it. We just have to think about the other stuff.